Dear students, welcome you in the lecture Social Media Meaning, Definition and Types. Myself, Dr. Umesh Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mass Communication and New Media, Central University of Jammu. In this lecture, we will learn about the concept of social media, definition of social media, importance of social media, types of social media, and major social media platforms. Let's start the lecture. First of all, what is social media? Social media is a way to communicate online by sharing information, ideas, and content. In social media, we share our information or any idea or any content that may be audio, maybe visual, maybe text, or maybe audio visual. It is a form of digital technology that allows users to create and share content through virtual networks and communities. In digital media or in social media, you share the content with a virtual network and communities. They are not in physical form, they are in virtual form. Social media refers to websites and applications that focus on communication, community-based input, interaction, content sharing, and collaborations. In social media, that may be a website or application or both. As Facebook has their website and application both. There you can communicate, you can give the inputs related to your community, interact with the users, and you can share your content and collaborate with the other users. Social media has evolved beyond just a tool of connecting with friends and family. Nowadays, we do not use social media just for interaction or just for communicating each other or providing the our content or just show our activities. Now, it has become a powerful platform for news dissemination, entertainment, and even commerce, becoming a significant part of both personal lives and business operations. Now, social media perform as a business platform also. You can get news from the social media, you can get entertainment from the social media, and you can promote also your product on the social media. So all the things which you think that you can find on the social media. People use social media to stay in touch and interact with various communities, follow trends, and stay informed. On social media, you can interact with various communities. Any community you can join and you can interact. You can follow the trends and also you will be informed what is happening in the world, how world is shaping themselves, what is new in the education sector or any other sector you belong. All things you can find on the social media. So in business world, social media serve as a key tool for marketing, product promotion, customer service, and engagement. Business use these platforms to communicate with customers and gather feedback. Social media is now a business platform also. As we say, where there is customer, there is business. Uh, Most of the customers are on the social media, and there is also business persons or organizations to sell their product on the social media, and people buy the products from the social media also. Social media started out as a way for people to interact with friends and family, but soon expanded to serve many different purposes. In 2004, MySpace was the first network to reach 1 million monthly active users. So you can imagine the power of social media. According to Global Web Index, 46% of internet users worldwide get their news through social media. It's a large number of people who get news or information from the social media. That compares to 40% of users who view news on news websites. Generation Z, Gen Z, and millennials are most likely to view news on social sites versus other generations. Gen Z and millennials most of the time use social media for the news than other generations do, because internet is spreading fastly in the world, and now you can use 5G, 4G, 5G network, and network speed is also too fast. So Gen Z and millennials most of the time use social sites for news. There are some definitions of the social media according to Oxford Dictionary. Social media is website and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. Kaplan and Helinen define social media as social media is a group of internet-based applications that build on the ideological or technological foundation of Web 2.0 and that allow the creation and exchange of user-generated content. Here, two things is important. One is social media is an internet-based application. It means you can use social media when you have internet. If you have not internet, you can't use social media. And it works on foundation of Web 2.0. 2.0 means it's interactive. You can interact with the people, and social media allow creation and exchange of user-generated content. User-generated content means content is generated by the user. Here you can find the democracy of the people, for the people, and by the people. In same way, in social media, user generate the content, user use the content, and content generated for the user, by the user, and to the user. That is the power of social media. Word and Ellison define social media as social network sites are web-based service that allow individuals to construct a public or semi-public profile within a bounded system, articulate a list of other users with whom they share a connection, and view and traverse their list of connections and those made by others within the system. There we have defined three objectives. One is you can build a public or semi-public profile, articulate a list of other users with whom you want to connect, and view the connection of and those made by others within the system. Now, Ellison et al. 2007 define social media as social media tools enable people to interact, share information, and create networks of connections. The primary feature of social media is the interactive nature of the platform, allowing users to both contribute and consume content. Users can contribute and they also consume the product. Importance of social media. First of all, social media has global connectivity. It goes beyond the geographical boundaries. Suppose you are from India and you want to connect with any other part of the world, you can connect by the social media. No other media provides such facility to the user. Although newspapers or television or radio give you the news of the international or other countries, but you can't connect with them. You can't share your information with other countries. But social media give you chance to connect with the global citizens or any peoples of the world. Information sharing and awareness. Social media give you a chance for sharing your information and make people aware. Here, no one is gatekeeper. You can send your information without any gatekeeper. You are the editor, you are the reporter, you are the producer, and you are the publisher of the content. All the powers are within you. Things or information you want to share on social media, you can share. You want to aware the people, you can aware them. And social media is also a business growth and marketing. Now, in all business organizations, there is social media managers. They manage the social media profile of the business organization, provide content to the social media. People interact with the content, they purchase the product or promotion of the products also on social media. You can see so many advertisements and other promotion materials on social media that are related to marketing. Social interaction and networking. Social media also provide you social interaction. You can interact with the people whom you have never met. You can call or interact with the people you wish to meet. One thing, the person with whom you want to interact, they also have a social media profile. Education and learning. Social media also a powerful tool of education and learning. Suppose you want to any topic for discussion or suppose you are doing the research and want the background of the research, you can access the internet. Although most of the lecture you can find on the YouTube, they are in audio visual form, and also you can give your feedback. So social media nowadays are a big tool of education and learning also. Social media influence the public opinions. During the election, you have noticed that all the political parties published their content on the social media because they know that most of the people use social media and they are prospective voters. So they upload their content on the social media and people access them. Creativity and self-expressions. On social media, you can show your creativity, you can show your self-expressions. Anything you create, you can share on social media. Suppose you are a good singer and no one has recognized you yet. You can record your song and share on social media. People will interact with that, and maybe you become a social media celebrity as a Bollywood, as Hollywood celebrity. You can become a social media celebrity also. Real-time feedback and interactions. In social media, there is so real-time feedback and interaction. If you want to go or if you go back near about 30 years, then you will find if you want to interact with a person, you have to write a letter and you post the letter. After 1 month or 15 days back, you receive the answer of the letter. You receive the feedback. You wait for 15 days, but now you can't wait 15 days, although you can't wait 15 minutes. You have to send a message and just the another person whom you have sent the message, they reply you. Social media provide you a real-time feedback and interaction. Social media used in crisis management and also support the people. If you are in any problem, you can post your problem on the social media. People will help you, and also it's a tool of entertainment. Social media is a tool of entertainment. As you know, the basic function of communication is to educate, to inform, and to entertain. So, social media also provide you entertainment. Then, now we will discuss about the types of social media. First of all, social networking sites. Social networking sites are those connecting with friends, family, and colleagues and building social relationships. For example, you can see Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus, although now Google Plus is defunct, but these social media platforms are social networking sites, media sharing networks, sharing photos, videos, and other multimedia content where you can share your information, your thoughts, your ideas. That maybe Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Flickrs. Here you can share any media content that may be photo, video, or other multimedia content. Microblogging platforms that are sharing brief thoughts, news updates, or content snippets. Microblogging platforms give you a platform where you have to write your message in few characters as Twitter. There you can't write an article. You have to share your message within few characters and tumblers. Discussion forum and communities, a type of social media that provide you discussion forum and communities, facilitating in-depth discussion, asking questions, and finding answers from the community of users. As Reddit, Quora, if you have used these, you may find the answer of your questions. You can also ask question and user of the Reddit or Quora, they reply you. Uh, there you can find a multiple answers. You have to just post your question, or if you want to discuss anything, you can post on the social media that are discussion forum. You will find the answers. Bookmarking and content curation network, organizing and sharing content such as article, image, video with others. If you create any art, write any article or create any image or video, you can share on a content curation network that is Pinterest, Pocket, blogging platforms. Uh, blogging platforms. We have discussed about microblogging platforms. Now, blogging platforms, writing and sharing long form content or article. Here you can write articles 100 word or 500, 1000 words. Uh, As much as you wish to write, you can write and share on these platforms that may be WordPress, Medium, or Blogger. Social shopping networks. Important please, as now social media is converting as a social shopping also. Facilitating online shopping through social interactions and recommendations. They, there you can interact with the organization and you can sell your products also as Instagram shopping, Facebook marketplace, where you can post your product also and you can share your product, promote your products. Live streaming platforms, broadcasting live video content and interacting with audience in real time. These are Facebook Lives, YouTube Lives. You can go Facebook Live and interact with the people. You can go YouTube Live. There are some standard you have to follow. Suppose if you want to go live on YouTube, there must be 50 subscribers of your channel. If you have not 50 subscribers, you can't go live. And collaborative wikis, allowing user to collaboratively create, edit, and update content. That is Wikipedia, WikiHow. Here you can create, edit any content you can edit or update. So these are the types of the social media. Now you may say entertainment, social media that's used for entertainment, conversations, relations building, content dissemination, distribution, publishing, participation, rating or tagging. These are the types of the social media. Now we will discuss some major social media platforms. First of all, Facebook. Facebook launched in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg and his Harvard classmates. Initially called the Facebook, it was created as a social network for college students. The purpose of this was to connect people, share updates, photos, and news, and interact with friends and family. The key features of the Facebook are you can create your profile page, update your status, share your photo or video on social media that's called Facebook, and also groups and events for community engagement. You can create groups, you can create events for community engagement. Facebook Messenger for direct messaging. You can use Facebook Messenger for direct messaging. You can send direct message to your friends on Facebook. You can create pages for business, influencer, or your brands. Anything you can create page. And there is also a marketplace for local buying and selling. Here you can buy or sell your product. Instagram launched in 2010 by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger, and Instagram was acquired by Facebook in 2012. The purpose of Instagram was to share visual content, primarily photo and short video, to connect with others. On Instagram, you can share photos, short videos. Here, most of the time, people do not share text messages. So, the main feature of the Instagram is sharing photos and short videos. Key features of the Instagram is photo and video posts, stories, and reels. Here you can post photo, video, or story, or you can share reels. That is short form of videos. IGTV for longer video. You can use IGTV, Instagram television, for longer video. If you have made in video or you go live by the Instagram, that may be a long video, you can share on the Instagram. Explore page to discover new content. Here is also a facility for direct messaging. You can direct send the message to the user, and shopping feature for e-commerce is also available on Instagram. Now, Twitter, it's now called X, launched in 2006 by Jack Dorsey and others. The purpose of the Twitter was to share short update, news, thoughts, and trends in real time. The key features of the Twitter is you can tweet up to 280 characters, retweet and use hashtag, trending topics and real-time news updates you can get on Twitter. Twitter space for live audio conversation. Twitter space provide you a live audio conversation. Here you can, if you cannot type, yeah, you can make a audio conversation also. This platform also provide you direct messaging facility, lists and followers for organizing and curating content. Also, you can find on Twitter or X. LinkedIn. LinkedIn launched in 2003 by Red Hoffman, Ellen Blue, and others. The purpose of the LinkedIn was professional networking, career development, and business connection. In LinkedIn, that is basically a professional networking site. Here, you can post your CV, you can post if you are a business organization, uh, you can share your vacancy and people apply for the vacancy. The key features of the LinkedIn is professional profile and resume. LinkedIn provide you professional profile and resume, job listing and recruiting features also provided by LinkedIn. Content sharing and publishing article. You can publish your article on LinkedIn. or you can share any content that may be audio, maybe visual, maybe audio visual on LinkedIn also. LinkedIn group for industry specific discussion. They provide you a platform where you can discuss your industry specific topics, direct messaging and connection requests. Here also you can send direct message and you can request for connection to a user as on Facebook or other social media platforms. You send a friend request. Here you send connection requests. YouTube launched in 2005 by Chad Hurley, Stu Chen, and Javed Karim, and YouTube was acquired by Google in 2006. The purpose of the YouTube was to share, view, and create video for entertainment, education, and more. The key features of the YouTube is you can upload video, create channels, and also create playlists. Live streaming and monetization through ads on YouTube. You can go live if you follow the standards, if you find the determined number of subscribers, you can go live on YouTube. Community features as you can comment, like, share on YouTube. If you like the video, you can show like or you can comment and you can also share the video from the YouTube. YouTube Shorts or short form video. Here is also a 60-second video that is a YouTube short. You can share on a YouTube as a short. If your video is not more than 60 seconds, you can share it as short. Video recommendations and subscription. YouTube recommend video and subscriptions also. On your interest, you can follow or subscribe a channel or desubscribe the channel. Now TikTok launched in 2016 by Jiang Yiming under the name Douyin in China and later rebranded as TikTok for international market in 2017. The purpose of the TikTok was to share shorts, creative videos with music, challenges, and viral trends. The key features of the TikTok is short form video. TikTok provide you 15 to 60-second video with music, effects, and filters. TikTok challenges and hashtag for viral trends. For you, page for personalized content discovery. They provide a page that is for you, where you can find your personalized content. Live streaming for influencer and creator service also provided by the TikTok. Direct messaging and comments is also enabled on the TikTok. You can use direct messaging. You can send any comment on the video. These facilities are also provided on TikTok. Snapchat launched in 2011 by Ivan Spiegel, Bobby Murphy, and Reggie Brown. The purpose of the Snapchat was to send temporary self-destructing multimedia messages and share fleeting moments. Now we will discuss the key features of the Snapchat. Snapchat that disappear after viewing. If you send any message on the Snapchat and the receiver view the message that disappear from the uh, message box or inbox and no one can copy it. Stories, you can share stories on Snapchat and that is for 24 hours. Filters, lenses and geo filters for creative photos and videos you can use on Snapchat. Chat and video calls are also possible on Snapchat. Discover sections for news and entertainment content is provided in the Snapchat. WhatsApp was launched in 2009 by Gencom and Brian Acton and acquired by Facebook in 2014. The purpose of the WhatsApp is to send instant message and communicating for individuals and groups. Here you can send instant message and you can communicate with the individual or with the groups. You can broadcast the message with a large number of people. The key features of WhatsApp is text messaging, voice messaging, and video calls. WhatsApp provides you text messaging service, voice messaging service, and video calls. One thing, it's obey your privacy and into inscriptions also provided in WhatsApp. Group chat and broadcasting message service is available on WhatsApp. You can use those in groups. You can share message, and if you want to share an individual message, you can broadcast your message. Status update, temporary text, image, or video. If you want to update, you can update your status. File sharing and location sharing. Here you can share files, location, contact numbers, or anything you want to share. You can send it to the receiver. And now you can create channels on WhatsApp. Pinterest launched in 2010 by Ben Silverman, Paul Sierra, and Yuan Shaw. The purpose of this was to discover, save, and share image and idea for inspiration. The key features of the Pinterest is pins, image, video, and links saved to board. Visual searching for finding similar pins and products. Shopping integration to purchase items directly on interest, Pinterest. You can integrate purchasing items directly. Pinterest lens for image-based search. If you have an image and you want to search it related to that image, you can use Pinterest to search. Collaborative board for group sharing. Here you can create your collaborative board where you can share your content, you can share your creativity. Reddit launched in 2005 by Steve Hoffman and Alexis Ohanian. The purpose of the Reddit was to discuss and share content in community-based forum on a variety of topics. The key features of Reddit is subreddits, topic-based communities for niche interest. Suppose you are interested in anything, you can find your community on Reddit and you have not to explore too many things. You have just interact with the community and they also provide you some inputs. You may give them some inputs, posts, comments, and upvotes, downvotes to the content. You can post anything. You can comment on any question or any content, and you also can upload or download the rank, download the content. That's rank the content. AMA Ask Me Anything session with celebrities or expert. Here you can use AMA where anyone can ask you the question and you have to answer the question. Or you can participate in AMA. You can ask the question with the celebrities or the experts. Reddit Gold for rewarding high quality content. Reddit Gold is a featuring service that provide you high quality content. Private and public communities. On Reddit, you can create private and public communities. WeChat, launched in 2011 in China. The purpose of the WeChat is social networking, messaging, and multifunctional AI. The key features of the WeChat is text, voice, and video messaging. As on WhatsApp, you can text message, voice message, or send video message. On WeChat also, you can send text, voice, or video message. Moments for sharing status updates and photos. You can share status and your photos. integrated payment system for transactions and purchase. BCAT is also enabled for payment system. Here you can pay just like UPI to other users. Many program for third-party service within the app, and this also news, games, and shopping. Here, WeChat provide you news, games, and shopping platforms also. So let's conclude the lecture. Each type of social media platforms serve a different purpose, ranging from connecting and interacting with others to sharing multimedia content, expressing idea, and even making purchase. Understanding these various types help users leverage social media according to their goal, whether professional, personal, or business related. Thank you.